This video will introduce the unboxing guide for Protos. Preparing for the first flight. After opening the package, please check for any missing or damaged products. Real USB-C port. fpvdx data port. With it, press the button to switch the connection. The dividing port for the video transmission is on the front right. The SD card slot is on the top of the goggles faceplate. The buttons on the remote controller are the power button, bind button, unlock button, mode button, the FOAC button, thermometer button, the limit roller. The USB-C port on the bottom is for power. Button on the charging hub is for more switching and firmware updates. When using the Protos for the first time, please be sure to charge it to protect the batteries during shipping. The flight batteries and the remote controller both have only about 50% charge. Charge the flight batteries using the charging hub. Insert the batteries fully to charge. Connect the charger to the charging hub's USB-C port to charge. The remote controller can be charged via the USB-C port on the bottom. When charging, battery indicator lights will circle to show the current power level. When all the indicator lights are solid, the battery is full. Press and hold the remote power button to turn it on. The goggles will turn on automatically when you connect the battery. Finally, fully insert the battery into the drone's battery compartment, and the drone will power on automatically.